Hey, let me show you all controls of your Sennheiser Accentum Wireless. So we've got music controls, call controls, and the voice assistant control. So if you want to activate your Google Assistant or Siri, all you have to do is just to click once on this button, this one. Next, let's move to the music control. When we click on this button, we can play or pause our media. When we click on it 2 times quickly, we can turn the next song. When you click on it 3 times quickly, we will turn the previous song. And now, when you are going to adjust these options, with these buttons, you can actually change the volume level. So we can volume up with this one and volume down with this one. When you click on it 2 times quickly, you can change between the noise cancellation mode and the ambient mode. Next, let's move to the call control. When you want to accept call, you have to click on this button once. When you want to reject call, just click on it. Also 1 time. When you want to end the call, you have to click on it 1 time. And when you want to reject the call, you have to click and hold it for 2 seconds. If you want to hold your call, click on it 2 times. And if you want to mute your microphone or unmute your microphone, you have to click once on this button. And this is it, all controls of this device. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.